Hello everyone, my name is Shambhavi. Hope you all are doing well. So here I am back with one of the most amazing internship opportunities for you all over here. We all know about Microsoft, right? So Microsoft has recently launched its research internship. Okay, so this is one of the internships which is actually gonna be offline. So the location is the Bangalore. Okay, Bengaluru. Now this is for all the engineering students who are there, right? All the computer science engineering students, they can participate into this research internship, right? Application deadline, actually only 5 days are left. So today, like, it's 20th, so only 5 days, it's gonna expire on 24 or 25th. Okay, eligibility is graduate. You should be graduate for applying for this internship. What is it all about? So Microsoft is actually recently hiring for the position of the research intern. So responsibilities of the interns are that they have to research the plans and strategies for supporting the organization. Okay, they have to collect and analyze up the data from variety of sources. You have to develop and maintain the databases. For storing and analyzing the data, you have to prepare up the reports and the presentations. For communicating the research findings, you have to develop and maintain the relationships with the external partners and the stakeholders. You have to participate in research meetings and the conferences. You have to stay up to date on relevant research or trends, and you have to assist with other research related tasks as needed. These are what all are the responsibilities of the intern. What are the requirements? Requirements are candidates should have completed their bachelor's. Either you might have completed your BE, BTech or BS, or you might have completed your master's degree, ME, MTech or MS in the computer science by summer 2023. Okay, so it means that if you're into A or 8th semester, so if you complete your graduation in summer 2023, so yes, you can apply for the same. Okay, so impactful academic performance should be there, some raw smarts, some developmental skills, passion for research and the software development. That is what all is needed. Important dates and the deadlines. So application deadline is 25 of February, 11:59 p.m. IST. So 25 February is the last day for to apply. If you are graduated and you want to apply for this Microsoft research internship, you can very quickly go ahead and very quickly apply for the same. The job location is your Bangalore, as I told you. Stipend, it is not yet disclosed because it will depend on to the your interview, and each and everything will be considered for the same. Okay, work details, these are your 6 working days, Monday to Saturday. Job type, this is an office and it is a full-time job internship. Okay, so these are some of the details about this Microsoft internship which we have up over here. And I hope that you all, like, whosoever have completed their graduation, you might be interested in going to the Microsoft, so you can just like apply for this internship, go ahead for the interviews and everything, and if you get selected, well and good, you might get in your dream job or the dream internship of yours. Okay, so I hope this is quite pretty much clear to everyone. So if you have enjoyed the video, do share this video with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe out my channel, and don't forget to like this video. We'll see you there in the next video. Till then, thank you and take care.